Welcome back to the sixth video of my data science tutorial series. So in this video we will talk about how to carry out array slicing using Numpy and access subarrays. So as we have seen in the previous video, we can use square brackets to access individual array elements. We can also use that concept to access subarrays with the slice notation, which is marked by a column character. So the Numpy slicing syntax follows the standard Python list syntax. So let's take a look at some example. So if you print again x1, and in this code we have written x1 then square bracket colon 2. So what does this mean? So this actually means that we are starting from 0 index, we are accessing till the first index, excluding the second index. So 0 and 1 are 3 and 0, so it's printing 3 0. So if we look at the next one, 3 colon, so this means starting from 3, the rest, third index, the rest of the list is printed. So which one is the third index? 0 1 2 3. Third index is this one. So 3 7 9 are printed. So this is quite easy to understand. So here from it should be from 2, it should print second, third and fourth index excluding the fifth index. So 0 1 2, this is the second index, second, third, fourth. So it has printed, it should print this 3. It has printed 3 3 7. So this seems quite interesting to me. So we can also do the same thing with multi-dimensional array, which we have seen previously, like x2. It has 3 rows and 4 columns. So let's see how we can do the same thing. So if you want to see only 2 rows and 3 columns from this x2, we can write it like this, like x2. First one is row, then 3 column. So it should print the first 2 columns, I mean the first two rows and the first 3 columns. So first 2 rows, 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are these 2 rows, this row and the 0 1 2, that means these 3 column excluding the last column. So actually this should print this one. So it was row 0 and 1 row, and then third column. So 12 5 2 7 7 6 8, not the 4. So I hope you understand that it has what it has printed. Let's see another example like this. So for example, for x2 again, let's print the third row. Well, let's print the first row and the second, and up to the second column. So this means 0, that means first row 12 5 2, and column is also, this should print 12 5 2 7 6 8 and 1 6 7. Okay, let's check it again. It's 0 and 1 12 5, so this row, and column is 0 1 2. So also the first row and actually this shows the first row and the first column. So this is how it can be done. So it might be confusing, but with practice it will be quite clear to you. We can also modify subarrays. So if we want to modify x2, so let's place 0 0 in the x2 0 0, let's place 99. So see, in the first row and the first column 99 is placed. So that's all from this video. Let's look at the next video. Thank you all.